Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Albie here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time hanging out with me, welcome. I'm happy to have you. I hope you subscribe before leaving so we can keep hanging out some more. Today we are going to be in my dining room. If you do not already know, I have recently been working on my daughter's room. I transitioned my home office into what is now going to be her big girl room, giving her her own space. But that transition ended up shaking up the rest of our home as things kind of had to start to accommodate what used to be in my home office. And one of those spaces ended up being the dining room. If you do not know, the sideboard behind me actually used to be in my home office. So with that, I decided it was high time to finally do some refreshing in the dining room. I really neglected it for most of the summer because so much has been going into doing her room as well as updating our room since she moved out of our room. So like I said, the dining room kind of really got neglected for majority of the summer. So I decided to take this opportunity to do some deep cleaning, the carpet, as well as some tablescape refreshing, a little bit of refreshing behind me as we start to get ready to say goodbye to summer and hello to fall. So if you're excited to do a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of styling, let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed my dining room refresh. As I mentioned before, everything that I used in my tablescaping and in my cleaning, I will leave in the description box down below, as well as other videos that are relevant to my tablescaping and my deep cleaning. I'm excited to continue sharing with you guys the updates in the other rooms as they come along. So again, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and make that happen now. Thank you for hanging out with your girl once again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.